All right, one muffler down, one to go. That thing is really cruddy. Look at all the holes. This is I call this the mozzarella. This is mozzarella muffler. Here we go. Oops! Messed up that blade. Whoopsie! I think I'll stick it in the vise. Probably not. We'll go try. Now we just gotta cut off that grotesque bit. Gotta clean these up too. They don't look too good. I don't want to trim too much farther back. That muffler is so messed up. Wow, that is messed up. Alright, more soon. Alright, so here's the worst of the mufflers. Look at this thing. I tried the tape just to see if it would work. Interesting experiment. Good product, just not good enough for how far gone this was. I mean, look at the casing. I mean, just shot. And I thought this was more of like a it must be more of like a Flowmaster. So with the different baffles and so forth, I thought it was going to be straight through, kind of like a Dynamax. But yeah, it's definitely seen its day. Here's the other one. And it's weird why the inside one, I'm not really sure. Yeah, see? I mean, it's not, you know, I wouldn't reuse it, but it's not in, there's no holes in this one, but you can kind of see where they would be starting. Yeah, see, that's that welded V. So the sound difference should be really interesting. I'm looking forward to that. But now we just got to figure out how to connect everything together here. And this is where it's going to get fun. So, all right, once I find out more, I'll be back. All right, well, we definitely can't have the mufflers off here and not start it. So here it goes. Didn't really sound, honestly, it didn't really sound that much different, to tell you the truth. So I'm sure if we got on a little bit more, but it just reverberates up in here. So you don't want to be crazy noisy. All right, find out more. We'll give you back. We got the mufflers mocked up here to see what they kind of look like. Liking it so far. So we'll crank it up and see what it sounds like. And we got some leaks around the clamps here, but you know, just trying it out so far. Good sound. out the big details here. Fitment right there shouldn't be a big issue. We'll either weld it or clamp the welds and just clamp it. But I'm just lining this up so where it's going to take a little bit more creativity, I believe. So play around with it here and see what we can find out. Okay, back later. Alright, time to cut off these rinky-dink extensions here so we can weld on. Got some scrap over here, so we'll see if any of this will work or if it'll be easier just to use some of the fresh stuff. So, yeah, I set the camera over here. It looks safer. Might be good over here. There we go. See how that works. Alright, be back when we got more. Alright, so we're about 3 o'clock, so it's been taking a while. Got the titanium the little Easy Flux 125 going here. I have so much to learn. Don't be too surprised here. These are some nasty looking welds after the grinding. But took the flashlight to it and everything appears to be together. So, but I desperately need to learn technique. I have no idea what I'm doing. Literally no idea what I'm doing. For whatever reason, this part of the pipe was cracked as well, so we went ahead and just kind of made a gigantic mess on here. If you see this video and have a couple tips or an idea of a video that I should watch, let me know. Because as you can see, it's going to work, but I definitely need to learn some information. So, but yeah, let's get this on the truck here and tightened up. I think I'm just going to run the clamps here. I bought 4 of the, I can't remember the name now, the lap joint clamps. So we're just going to use those and see how it does. Worst case scenario, we just weld it. Alright, so we finally got it together. We'll see if that's kind of the way I like it. There's Bear. He's just in time for the first start. Yeah. So, here's what it looks like. Got it angled. Had to take the little boot off for that side to let this drop so that you could shift that enough. It seems like we got everything pretty tight there. That one's hanging a little bit low. We might be able to fix that, but they look pretty. Went ahead and did this one. You'll be able to actually see this one, so I put this one so you can read it from the outside and then put the label underneath on that one. So it looks pretty tight. So I might, after it warms up, obviously, go ahead and check these clamps again. We'll see how the welds hold up. But I think it's going to be fairly quieter than the, we'll hand this off to Bear.
Yeah.
Hand this off to the old setup.
Yeah.
It'd be quieter than the old setup. So
Yeah.
let's see what's up.
Mr. Holy there.
Exactly.
Yeah, let's see how this thing's at.
They're tired.
Yeah. It's been a long day.
Sounds cleaner, a lot cleaner. Yeah.
Very clean.
Well, hopefully the sound will stay out here,
Yeah.
not underneath the bed.
Yeah.
All the doors. See if we got any leakies. Ah, I got some leaky there. No leak at the welds.
That's good.
Yeah, a little bit here. None on that one. Yeah, it's got a little leak right up here for some reason.
Okay. But yeah, it sounds a lot cleaner than it ever has ever sounded, so. A little bit more mature of a sound.
Yeah, not quite as crazy gnarly.
Yeah.
mucho better than before.
Yeah.
Than that. So,
Poor thing. Good scrap metal there, though.
yeah, that sounds pretty nice, guys.
I know.
Nice
So-
and clean. Very clean.
Maybe a little
tone
bit
to it.
quieter now.
I almost think we could have done actual just straight pipe back there. It probably still would have sounded pretty decent.
Yeah.
But this way, you know, help with, you know, it's always louder towing.
Yeah.
So this
Oh,
should
yeah,
help out
yeah,
pretty
so.
good. I noticed we wore the super clean,
Oh, yeah, of course.
or super clean shirt all day.
You gotta have that.
And it was decent weather because it's not all soaked out.
Exactly.
So-
Yeah, because the humidity burnt off from this morning, so that's
Exactly.
good.
I think,
Yeah, that sounds good. I like that.
and I fixed the weld here. Where was it? Yeah, so
you
it's
had that
going
crack
straight
there, right?
through. Yeah, there's this. The pipe was cracked for some reason, so that's all. That's fixed and clean. So all the sound's coming out right there instead of, well, most of it. I gotta fix a couple clamps over on this side.
Yeah.
They're still kind of squeaking out. So
They're pretty good
Well,
for
that's the fun
brand new
thing.
exhaust and brand new welding. So
yeah, exactly.
brand new to welding too.
Right.
Not only is it a brand new welder, but it's a brand new person to welding. Woo! Yeah.
That's true.
All
We'll see
that
how long
stuff.
it lasts now.
Yeah.
That's the key. Is how good of a welds they work.
Exactly, yeah.
And how long they last. So.
But at least you can always redo it. So
Exactly.
that's the other thing. So.
Exactly.
Cool, cool,
So,
cool.
and that's one reason why we put the clamps there in case
Yeah.
we need to fix it. So.
Yeah. Cool, cool, cool.
All right. Bye for now until we review it.
Love you.
Alrighty, so Bear's been waiting to make this video for the exhaust on the truck for several months now, and I forgot to do the clip because we got everything done except for the we got the install, we got how we were welding up the pipes, we've got what exhaust we were running, which is the Flowmaster FX. Thankfully my weld is still holding pretty good from what I've seen, so no real issues. But what we didn't have yet was the cold start and a little bit of a rev. So I finally remembered, and I had a little bit of time this morning to really start. So let's get this done correct. Not really an amazing rev, but so far definitely like the exhaust note. It's still a little bit loud inside, but compared to the Swiss cheese exhaust that we had before, it's really good, and they just look good on the truck as well, being that stainless steel. So, you know, it's relatively quick. I mean, learning how to weld those two pieces of pipe on took a better part of the day, but you got to learn somewhere. But anyways, exhaust note on the truck.